Who is this? Come here. Who is this?
Virat Kohli
Virat Kohli. What he will do?
is batting.
Okay. What you told? Kappa?
He's
Huh?
he came beside Bengaluru.
Bengaluru? Uh-huh.
Again, he get a cup.
Kappa? Oh. You didn't see that time?
That time I sleep. Again, when crackers blast, no,
Uh-huh.
that time
Mm-hmm.
I get up.
Mm-hmm. Then what do you know then?
That time I not went outside. I get up.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
Hmm.
Again I sleep.
Oh, you know very well Virat Kohli. Oh, okay. You want to meet Virat Kohli?
But I see that time he went that side.
Where? Which side?
This side.
Oh, you saw? Huh?
But I hear
Uh-huh.
that crackers.
Okay, okay.